You don't need an expensive software like ClickFunnels to create a high converting landing page. You can create a high converting landing page by using Aweber. This is an email marketing software, and I several times use this software to create a high converting landing page. So in today's video, I'll show you how to promote ClickBank product and by creating a landing page by using Aweber software. And today I choose the product Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I don't know how to pronounce it. OKINAWA, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And this will find inside the health and fitness and diet and weight loss section. You will find that. And this is a very good gravity. You can see it is 624 gravity, and the price per conversion you will get 136.37. It's a good one. So we can start with this. So you can see the sales page here. There is a video first, and it's a good small but good sales page. So I have created a landing page inside Aweber. You just log in into Aweber and come to the landing page section, and there you can create unlimited landing page for free inside Aweber. You don't need to pay anything. And inside the Okania shop, that is the way you can create a landing page like this. Here you can create different sections, like two sections I have created inside a row. So you can also create like that. Here I am showing you a little bit. I will not go detail into the landing page portion. Here it is 1 and 2, and if you want, you can create like 4 section, 5 section. You can do like that. And you can do like none, soft and hard. This kind of appearance you can also create like that. I'm showing you. You can see that this kind of shadow portion is coming, and that looks very much professional. So this kind of landing page you can, I have created a small one just for the example only, but you will not do like that. You will create a professional and good landing page by using Aweber. And do not forget to put the privacy disclaimer and contact references, these kind of things. So from where you will get this one? You will get inside the sales page. Here it is. I just simply copy this and paste it here. You don't need to create any disclaimer or any reference, any terms and conditions, privacy policy. You don't need to create anything. Just copy the same thing from the sales page and put it here. And the same link you insert inside. And this, if you do this much, Google will allow you to run your ad. You just need to put these things only, and Google will easily approve your ad. And you can see that. And if you want, you can create more sections like that. And this is a drag and drop option only. Here you can see that there are the options like text, images. If you want, you can put image, videos also. You can create buttons like I have created like this. If you want to put some custom buttons also, you can do that. And if you want pop-ups, you can also do that. You can use more rows and more columns. I have shown. So I'm not going into a details of how to create a high converting landing page. It's very much easy. You go to the Aweber, create a free account and try to create the landing page. If there is any problem, just comment in the comment section and I will definitely reply your comment. And one thing more, that never use this Aweber links here. You use your own custom domains. Here what I have made that like that. showing you here. I have used my custom domain go.highqualityreview.com. I have already a website highqualityreview.com, and I have made a subdomain inside that, and I have connected that subdomain with this Aweber account, and here you can see that this is the subdomain, and I have put one path, custom path here, and my link looks like this, and this is looks professional, and people will like to click on this link, and even the Google will also like this. If you have a custom domain, Google will also like to allow or to approve your, this will help you to get approval of your Google ads. So this link we will, this landing page we will create inside the, we will create a ad inside the Google by using this landing page. Here you can see that I am inside the Google Ads section, but I will not go into the details how to create that Google account. You know, you are already aware of, but I will do some keyword research. Go to Google Keyword Planner and type OKINAWA. A little bit slow. Just create a new campaign, but before creating campaign, add your details of credit card, debit card, or any payment method, whatever the payment method you want to use, like Paytm or anything. You can do that first, otherwise Google will not allow you for the ad. If you are an affiliate marketer running Google ads, you are aware of these things. And here we will use website traffic and search ad, and we will use this link. And continue. Actually, I have already a draft ad there so that that message comes. Here you put anything. Okay, and this is for you only, and I will suggest you to uncheck both of these. Why? Because if you want to show your ad only inside the Google, you don't need to check search network and display network. Just uncheck both. And I will suggest you, if you are new, you are a beginner, then I will suggest you to go for only for US first, United States, because whatever the conversion comes, most of the 90% of the conversion comes from the US only. But if you are a experienced person, then you can target other first tier 1 country like New Zealand, and then Australia, and Canada, and of course United Kingdom. These countries you can target, but I will suggest you to go for United States first. And here you keep English audiences. You don't need to select anything here. Here you keep here. Here it is saying that not recommended, but you have to click here only and choose manual CPC. And if you are want to run an ad in USA, and by you want to do that brand bidding, then you definitely do a good bidding that I am telling you. And do not forget to use the site link extension. These are the very important thing. because these will improve your quality score of your ad, and your ad will come in front of the first page, in the first position of the page. Your ad will come. If you do not use a site link extension, your quality score will be low. So do not forget to use the extensions. And save and continue here. And here I was doing some keyword research there. Come here. Put US. Save. Then OKINAWA. OKINAW. Get results. So we will use this kind of keywords like no, it's not showing that, it's showing something else. Flat belly. Yes, we can use this keyword like Okaniwa flat belly tonic, Okania flat belly tonic review, Okania flat belly tonic side effect. No, side effects is not required. So this kind of keywords we will use there. So come to this section and you can give any names there, and bid you put at least $0.5, like 40 rupees per click. You can put at least. Here some keywords comes automatically, but we will not use these keywords. We will use these keywords only. These three keywords I am taking right now, but you can use both phrase match and the exact match. Come to the website Keyword Toaster. This website is a useful website. Remember the name Keyword Toaster. The name is. You come to here, paste the three keyword. Broad match is no more using. Google is not using broad match right now. It is obsoleted. So we will use the phrase match and exact match now. So copy here. You can include more keywords if you want, but most of the conversion will comes like by the using the review keyword. People will come to your website by searching that particular product and then review. So you can see that I have not made any ad budget previously is required. You put 2000 rupees at least in a day. In the previous page it was there, but I missed it somehow. and save and continue it. And you have to create an ad now. You can create simple ad like quickly I'm creating from the sales page itself. I'm taking some lines like health benefits, it's not there. Here you put okay INAWA underscore flat belly underscore tonic. It's okay now. Here also use the same. Tonic. And you can use some other keywords like health benefits. You put related keywords. I'm quickly putting some random keywords, but you definitely put some related keywords like and here you have to put a good description of the product. Sorry, it's not the good one. I'm doing it quickly, that is the reason I'm doing something, but you definitely use some good keywords and good descriptions here. Like this is a good one. So save and continue. Is showing some error. Here it is showing that 0 clicks is expected because I have used very few keywords here. So what you can do, you can use a keyword to bypass this. Like put make money online just to bypass this. But when we will publish the ad, definitely you have to pause this one and save and continue. And again save and continue and publish it. I have already running an ad like this, so I will not publish this one. This one to show you. So I am not publishing it. But you keep in mind the keyword I use make money online just to bypass the problem. You have to pause it after you publish the ad. and your ad will run after, will approved within an hour. So if you do not pause that particular keyword, and your ad will be shown to the wrong person and you will waste your money. So that's all about the promotion of the landing page used by Aweber. You can create a good high converting landing page by using Aweber, and I have made already made this one, and if you want, I will create a landing page in front of you in the next video. If you want, comment in the comment section, and I will definitely create a landing page by using this. How to create, you can see it, how I can create this, but this is very easy, you can do it yourself also. So that's all about today, and if you like this video, definitely like it, and also subscribe my channel and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So that's it, that's all about today. Bye bye.